Hi everybody. As promised, I decided to just do the video straight after the Pokemon Trick or Trade one. So we're gonna do two separate videos. We have, what I'm gonna do for you in this video is Rise of the Floodborn. We have 6 packs of these to open today. And we also have 6 packs of Inkland to open for you as well. What we're going to do is we're going to do one video, see how the time goes, and we're going to do Floodborn. If we do well for time, then we'll go straight into Inkland. Otherwise, I'm going to make it 2 separate videos. We'll see how we go. I appreciate your comments, so please feel free to comment in the section down below and say, do you prefer the longer videos? Would you rather have a shorter one? Alright, to start off with, we got Ratigan, Basil, Snow White. I wanted this card, Winnie the Pooh. I absolutely like that card. I'd love the shiny version of that. Be over the moon with the shiny. I'm gonna put that to the side because I really wanted that one. Felicia, Jafar, Pinocchio, Dopey, everybody's favorite dwarf, right? Judy Hobbs, Mrs. Judson, Perplexing Signposts, and the Queen of Hearts Hollow. Let's build up a little convo down in the comments and say, who's your favorite villain in the, not just in the card game, but just in general in the films? Could be you like them for different reasons. You could like them because they've got one of the best songs in the Disney franchise. Flynn Rider, Jasmine. You could just like the movie and like the character. Jiminy Cricket, Mulan, Hercules with Meg there. It's not Meg, it's the Caterpillar, Lost Stand, Binding Contract, Strength of Raging Fire, the Queen, and Peter Pan's Dagger for the Hollow. Favorite villain? I don't know. If I had to have a top 3, I'd probably put Gaston in there because he is just a narcissist, isn't he? He just loves himself. The song Boo sings is just hilarious. If you haven't seen the live action, I highly recommend it. Flynn, Jasmine, Happy, Tiana, Queen of Hearts Standard, Li Shang, Donald, Merlin, Minnie Mouse, and the Queen Hollow. Very nice. I like that. As everybody has been following my videos knows, we have been struggling to pull an Enchanted. We still haven't done it. But hey ho, maybe today's the day. Enchantress, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Raya, Donald Duck, Card Soldiers, Mouse Armor, Belle, ooh, I like Shere Khan, and Grand Pappy, and the Queen Hollow again. Is this like a normal common card? Popsicle. Painting the Roses Red. Dr. Facilia. Minnie Mouse. Tiana. Nick Wilde. I love him. Pinocchio. Nana for Peter Pan. Wait set. Pete, and oh, we have a Cinderella Hollow. Very nice. Last pack of Floodborn. Let's be lucky. Hopefully we get a good pull out of this. We got Panic. Nothing to hide. Grumpy. I'm stuck. Go the distance. One of my favorite songs in the Disney franchise from Hercules. Lost Canyon. Sorry. You Can Fly. Eli LaBeouf. Bounce. Mrs. Judson. Caesar non-hollow. Very nice card. And we got Prince Charming hollow. Okay, so that's Floodborn. I personally think we're doing all right. So, should we do it? No, I'm gonna call that a day, so that those of you that aren't interested in the next video, you could just end it now. Okay, so I'm gonna say peace out. Speak to you soon, and yeah, look forward to reading your comments and what you thought of this pull. Did I pull some bangers? Did I pull some good cards, or, you know, is it all same old, same old? We'll have to just wait and see. I know I said I was probably just going to stick to first chapter, but when your shops are struggling to get first chapter in, I'm having to resort to Vinted and stores that sell singles and people online. So I am building up my first chapter still, but I thought I'd make a big dent in this by getting some other cards. Anyway, speak to you soon. See you in the next video, where we will be doing Inklings. All right, peace.